It's your girl, 𝕬𝕡𝕠𝕕𝕦𝕡𝕠𝕠. Welcome back. Today I am doing things a bit different. I'm always doing something different, of course. Today we'll be talking about sigils. And I need to make a sigil for the shed we have outside and for the house in general. You can make a sigil for anything, and basically what a sigil is like a... So I had an incident with a mason jar lid and I gouged my finger, like sliced it, and I needed a way to keep the yarrow powder on it, and I did not have any band-aids, so I used a glove to keep that there. Anyways, moving on. Symbol. And it could be a symbol for anything. These ones I found, these ones are for my deities and things like that. So, they hold a certain type of power. That power is whatever intent you bestow on it, but you do have to make them prior. So, we're just gonna get started. So to begin, I do not like bugs, so I am making a sigil. It's a very simple, silly sigil, I feel. But I'm making a sigil to ward bugs from my house and from my shed because it's outside. To make a sigil, first you want to start out with its primary intent or focus. So the first thing you want to start out with is writing a sentence of what the purpose of your sigil is for. So for me, ward off bugs. I don't like that. And you can word it however you want. Now, we don't necessarily have a problem with bugs, but bugs scare me, all types. I don't even like flies. I don't like them buzzing around me. I don't like that. So, then, your next step is you are going to want to drop or remove any vowel or double letter. So, A-E-I-O-U. There's a U. There's an I. Pretty sure I got them all. Alright, so now, double letters I'll just go through as I go. So we got a B, G, S. So we don't need any more S's. So once you have your letters, you are going to want to find a chart like this one right here. Oh no. You're going to want to find this chart right here. It has the alphabet and their corresponding numbers. So B, we're starting off with B. That's 2. G is 7. S is 1. Now we have, this is actually quite big, so I might end up doing a different method with this particular one. But this is my favorite method. So then you're going to want to find this next chart, this little box, put the numbers in, pause if you need, put your numbers in, put it on. I don't know if you can see that, but I can. And you're going to want to start with the numbers. Alright. So that's like the basic blueprint of this weird thing. But then from there you kind of take what you see and make it better. So so I don't like it. A weird Texas Nevada map state combination. I don't like it. So the other option is everything stays the same up until you get to the drawing part. You could do this format. Now, I don't know if it will be that much different, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna try and do it from here. 2 to 7. That one seems just very intricate, but
Now, the last one, which I haven't edited very well, the last option is this, where it's a circle wheel thing with the alphabet. So that means we're gonna focus on this. With B, oh jeez, D. Alright, so I actually don't like any one of these. The last or fourth option, it might not be the last, but the fourth option you could do is just kind of wing it. One of the options is you could try and combine all the letters. You can form them into shapes and then try and do it that way. So, like B would be G. So then, I don't know if you could see it. So then you would take these weird little creations and try and put them together however you see fit. Alright. I might not do this thing, but that, I like that. So then you'd kind of fix it up a bit. And then you have it. So the next thing I do personally is I ripped this page, I messed up. But I then take what I just did and I transfer it. And I make it look super fancy. Don't worry, this isn't the fancy finished piece yet. This is just the sketch portion. And they love that. Alright. So now I let it dry. This should have been long enough to erase the pencil part. And there we go. After you make the sigil, you will want to activate it and charge it, or charge it and activate it. So I do have a page on that. So for me, there are many different ways. Basically, you'll want to meditate with the sigil and its intended purpose. And then how I learned it was to cast it away. And then there it goes. You don't really have to think about it again. A lot of people say they just meditate with it and they're good to go. It really all depends on you and what you've researched and what you feel comfortable with. So for me, I will take that sigil and I will write it down on a bay leaf. I'll have a white candle lit. I'll do the whole thing. I will write the sigil on the bay leaf with chalk, meditate on intended purpose and the sigil. I will then burn the bay leaf over my white candle and let it burn down, and drop the remains into the water as not to burn your fingers. You can use a chant. I charge this sigil with intended purpose. That's what I do. You can just, as I said, meditation is usually the strongest way to go, but yes, after you burn it and release it into the cauldron, you just kind of let it go and you are good to go. Your sigil is charged and reflects its intended purpose. That's how you make a sigil. Again, there are a few ways. I ended up doing a few of them, as you saw, because I didn't like the first 3. Anyways, that is all I have for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not already, please do hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you know maybe another way that I didn't put. But I will be seeing you guys on another video. I hope you have a great day, and bye.